Hi guys, this is the latest smartphone from Redmi Turbo 4, and it is also considered as Poco X7 Pro. So right now I wanted to show you something special in this smartphone, and then I will do unboxing for you guys. So right now my cats are feeling very cold and I also feel cold, but I could not turn on this air conditioner because my this remote control doesn't have the battery. So how can I turn on this? So this smartphone supports Air Blaster infra remote control. I have downloaded already this remote control. I'm going to turn on this spirit. Look. Very cool, right? Ooh, nice. But now I'm feeling cold. I need to turn off this. This is the box of Redmi Turbo 4. Some of the specifications are written here. What is the RAM? And it supports Dolby Vision. And that's it. Let's unbox this smartphone. I have already did unboxing. So on the first layer, you will get SIM ejector tool, some guide papers, and this black case. Not bad. Underneath the phone, there is this type C to type A charging cable and 90-watt designed by Xiaomi charger. I guess there are three colors: gray, green and white, but I bought this white color because it looks so fancy. This is where I think Redmi really nailed it with the Turbo 4 design. It's minimalistic, clear and looks premium. Definitely not something you would expect from a mid-range phone. But I know this design looks very similar with iPhone 16. Yeah, I know they inspired from iPhone a lot. But there are two things different in this design. You can see there is red, this coating or this line in this camera round, and these rounded cameras has LED light. I will show you later how it works. And there's a flashlight, and they have written 50 megapixel OIS here, and there's Redmi logo. But there's one bad thing, you guys won't like it. This is plastic, and the frame is also plastic. Yes, you heard it right. It's plastic. And on the right side there's a volume rocker and power off button. On the top there is a mic, a blaster. On the left side it's empty, and on the bottom there's type C charging port, a mic, a SIM card tray and a speaker. There's one more speaker on the top of this front camera. This phone offers big battery, 6550 mAh battery with 90-watt type A charger. I wanted to show you how this camera LED light works. Actually, it is a little bit complicated, I guess. So I'm using this application. So first of all, if you go to the setting, you type light and there's options. So you have to pick the applications. So I have selected all the applications already, right? So now this is the application I'm using, the music. Look, this is LED light, but you cannot change the colors by yourself. So if I turn on the voice, it's turned off. The application is working on the background, but the light is not working. So if I turn on the volume, it's working. Turn off, it's not working. So basically this LED light works with this speaker. Let me show you one more application. So I am using this TikTok, right? Look, it's not working. So I'm watching a video and it is working. If I turn off the volume, it's not working. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated. When it comes to the screen, the Redmi Turbo 4 has a 6.67 inches AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. So you can see the bezels. The bezels are very minimal and it looks pretty nice, this big screen. So scrolling through applications wouldn't be a problem. Playing games look buttery smooth, right? The resolution slight lower than Redmi K80 series. There's one bad thing about this display, the fingerprint sensor. The place is very down, so you have to go all the way down for this unlocking. But the speed is not bad. The peak brightness is 3200 nits of this Redmi Turbo 4 and Dolby Vision supported HDR10 plus HDR Vivid. Now this is where the Redmi Turbo 4 shines. Performance. It packs the is gonna be great. It packs the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chip, a 4 nm processor with 8 performance cores, and this is beat in the middle range category. And it's fast than Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and this phone is, I think, good enough for players who like playing games in the smartphone. This is enough for you guys. You should know other specifications about this smartphone. So it supports OTG, USB Type-C 2.0 and Bluetooth 6.0, and of course this infra port is available here, NFC. So this phone is really not bad. Now it's time to talk about the cameras. Let's talk about front camera first. It is 20 megapixel, but it does not support 4K video recording. From the front camera, if you record video, you can see it only support 1080p 30 and 720 30 fps, so it does not support 4K at all. But from the back, you can see it supports 4K 30 fps and 60 fps as well, and the lowest is 720 30 fps. From the back, you can have two cameras, 50 megapixel wide and second is 8 megapixel ultra wide, and LED flashlight, HDR panorama, and as I said, it support 4K recording. Now let's talk about the prices quickly. As you can see, there are three colors available: black, white and green. White you can see in my hand, but there are four variants available. The basic variant is 12GB RAM 256GB and the highest variant is 16GB RAM 512GB storage. So the basic variant cost 2000 Chinese yuan, but in USD it could be like $280 in the basic variant. So what do you think about this smartphone? Does it really suits in this price range or not? I will do the full review in the next video, so we will know more about this Redmi Turbo 4, but my first impression is really okay with this price range and with this MediaTek chipset. So I will see you in the next video guys. Take care, bye.